Students, welcome in my classroom. Today I am going to teach Python programming practically. So first of all you need to open Python editor. This is ideally Python 3.9. Just open it. See, this is window of Python. So today I am going to teach a built-in function type. See, there are three main data types in Python. First one integer, second is float, third is string, and fifth is complex. Okay, so I declare a variable num1 and I am assigning the value 10. Okay, num1 is a variable and I am assigning the value 10. Now I use type function, which is built-in function, and I am going to pass the argument num1. Okay, now press the enter key. What the output you are getting? Class int. It means how type built-in function works. When you are calling the type function and you are passing the variable as an argument, it tells you that num1 is belongs to int class. Num1 belongs to int class. Okay, now I am going to declare num2 and I am assigning the value minus 102. Okay, now again I am going to call type function. I am going to pass num2. Okay, and press the enter key. What do you get? 102. It is a negative number, but still it is an integer. So type prints the output that num2 belongs to int class. Okay, now num3 variable is declared and value is stored minus 9.85. okay, now I am going to call type function and I am going to pass num3. Okay, and then press the enter key. What do you see? Output is class float. So type function tells you that num3 belongs to float class. Okay, I am going to declare another variable where, and I am assigning the value true. Okay, call the type function, pass the variable where, and press the enter key. What do you see? Output is bool. So type function prints the output that where belongs to bool data type. Okay, next variable I am going to declare num and I am assigning the complex value. Okay, 2 plus 5j, 2 plus 5j, and I am going to call type function and passing the argument num. So it prints the output that num belongs to complex data type. I'm going to create another variable num4 is equal to 8.7. Okay, now I am going to call print function and passing num. Multiply by 100 comma type function num4. Click the enter button and what do you see? Num multiply by 100. So 8.7 multiplied by 100, so you get 200 plus 500j, and num4 belongs to float class. I show you some programs. See, float2 is declared minus 9.8 multiply 10 to the power 2. Print float2, value of float2, okay, and type float2. Okay, this program we are going to run on interpreter. So let's start. Float2 is equal to 9.8 multiply by 100. Multiply by 100 to the power 2 or 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 2. Then call to the print function, print the value of float2 and comma, call the type function float2 float, press the enter button, close the parenthesis, press the enter button. What do you get the output? 980 point, many zeros are there, then 1, and float2 belongs to class float. Okay, let's do another program. See, where 2 minus 3.72j, print where 2 and type where 2. Let's run the program. Declare where 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 3j. Okay, then print the value of where 2, okay, comma, type function you need to call, and type of where 2. Close the function. Print. See, the value of where 2 is printed, minus 2 plus 3j, and the type of where 2 output is complex. I hope you have understood how type function works. Type function tells you the data type of the argument you have passed. Okay, so let's do some more programs. Here we are going to run some programs of sequence. See, this is string 1, value is assigned hello friend, string 2 452. Okay, then print the value of string 1 and string 2. See, string 1 equal to hello friends, double quote, then print string 1, enter, output is hello friends. I am going to declare another variable, string 2 452, string 2 is equal to 452, then print the value of string 2, close the parenthesis and press the enter key. You get the value 452. I hope you have understood whatever I have taught to you practically in IDLE Cell Python programming. Subscribe the channel so that you can get notification of my upcoming videos. Share the video with your friends so that he can also learn Python programming free of cost. Regularly visit my website and read the blog and get updated for your preparation of computer science and informatics practice. Tell about the website to your friends so that they can also get benefited. Thank you very much for attending the class.